The sun. Its light drives our daily lives and provides benefits unlike any other natural resource. Unfortunately, today's buildings rarely provide enough natural light. An over-reliance on harsh, energy-draining electric lighting creates spaces where the negative psychological and environmental effects are substantial. On the other hand, sunlight reveals our world in its true color. It lifts spirits and makes spaces appear larger, cleaner, and more appealing. It reduces eye strain, increases productivity, and provides a clean, free alternative to fossil fuel-generated electricity. And now, highly advanced, affordable optical daylighting systems are allowing more and more people to reap the rewards of natural daylight. Thanks to a revolutionary design, sunlight can be harnessed and diffused brilliantly and beautifully through an interior space. The result is remarkable. The product is Solatube. Solatube invented the tubular daylighting device and for almost 20 years has served an ever-growing international clientele. As an industry pioneer, our advanced optical technology permits effective natural daylighting where it traditionally hasn't been an option. Solatube daylighting systems are also easy to install. A roof-mounted leak-proof flashing supports an impact-resistant optical dome. The compact design fits easily into most roofing structures without structural modifications and easily integrates into most ceiling types. But the real story is the Solatube daylighting system's breakthrough technology for higher performance. It's this technology that has earned Solatube a worldwide reputation as the leader in advanced daylighting. Raybender 3000 technology is a state-of-the-art optical daylight capturing dome lens that redirects low-angle sunlight into the system, guaranteeing consistent delivery of pure light throughout the day. To combat seasonal changes in daylight, Raybender 3000 rejects the overpowering midday rays of the summer sun, while the Solatube Light Tracker, an in-dome reflector, redirects low-angle winter sunlight to ensure unsurpassed year-round performance. Once inside the Solatube dome, the sun's rays move down through our Spectralite Infinity tubing, made from the world's most reflective material. With a mirror-like specular reflectivity of 99.7%, Spectralite Infinity provides maximum light transfer and no color shifting. It's adjustable through an attic, plenum, or even multiple stories, and successful installations have been reported in excess of 15 meters. A precise optical diffuser then effectively distributes light into an interior space. An ever-growing array of these fixtures enhance or complement the interior design. Solatube daylighting systems are recognized worldwide as a highly effective way to bring the benefits of natural daylight indoors. Studies prove that natural light makes us happier and more productive at home and work, improves learning at schools, and even has positive effects on shoppers at retail stores. While the physiological benefits cannot be overstated, the global movement towards sustainable design underscores the importance of adopting building designs with daylighting to minimize the environmental impact by greatly reducing electrical energy consumption. Electrical lighting in buildings usually accounts for about 40% of electricity costs. In many cases, it may be as high as 75%. When used with lighting controls, Solatube systems have been used to displace most, if not all, of the electric lighting load during daylight hours, leading to a dramatic reduction of harmful greenhouse emissions resulting from the use of fossil fuel-generated electricity. If you consider the possible emissions created to power just one standard fluorescent light troffer for a year, and then consider the hundreds, thousands, or millions of light fixtures that can be offset with Solatube daylighting systems, the environmental impact is simply staggering. But the benefits don't end there. Building owners with Solatube daylighting systems enjoy numerous energy cost savings. Not only is energy consumption greatly reduced, it is reduced during the daylight hours when demand and cost are highest. Plus, less electric lighting means less heat, resulting in a reduced reliance on air conditioning. Integrating Solatube daylighting systems into a building is not only affordable, it's easy. Solatube International has developed simple tools to help architects, lighting designers, and facility engineers incorporate Solatube daylighting systems into building plans. Customizable product specifications, basic spacing guidelines to generate a quick layout, photometric and IES files to calculate hourly and seasonal light output projections, and even simple payback calculators to estimate energy savings. These tools, along with case studies, daylighting facts, figures, and more, can all be easily accessed through a special section for professionals on the Solitube website. Over 1 million users are enjoying the benefits of Solitube daylighting systems. Talk to your sales representative about how you can use Solitube products in your project today.